Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's crash course is all about managing product feedback cycles in Monday.com. So let's jump right in. The first step is to create a new board dedicated to feedback. This board will be your central hub for all feedback-related information. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place, making it much easier to manage. Next up, create columns for each stage of the feedback process. These could include received, under review, and implemented. This helps us because by having a visual representation of the process, we can easily see where each bit of feedback is in the cycle and avoid any confusion. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your feedback. Each piece of feedback should be a new item on the board. The beauty of Monday.com is that you can customize each item with as much detail as you want. Let me explain why this matters. By adding all the necessary details, you'll have all the information you need right in front of you, eliminating the need to search for it later. The fourth step is to regularly update the status of each item as it moves through the feedback cycle. This is crucial because it ensures you always know the status of each piece of feedback and can communicate that to your team and customers. Our final step is to review and analyze the board regularly. This is where the magic happens. By reviewing the board, you can identify patterns, make improvements, and ultimately create a better product. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're turning raw data into valuable insights, and that's a game changer. And that's it. 5 simple steps to managing product feedback cycles in Monday.com. Remember, feedback is a gift. Treat it with care, and it will serve you well. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.